To understand trigonometry, one needs to know parts of the right triangle and correct names. So let's draw a right triangle. The right triangle is a triangle whose at least one angle is 90 degrees. So this will not be very precise drawing, but I want it to be in different colors so it's easier to explain. Oops, it turned into blue. So okay, this will be green. And this will be red here. Now imagine there's a person standing here, and that will be our point of view. You can look at things from many points of view, but we will choose this. So there's a person standing here, and we will choose the angle that's closest to him, which is this angle here, which we will give it a name in a minute, but that's an angle that we're looking at, the orange one. So simply let's first go about the names. Well, the thing where the person is looking at is the red leg that's 90 degrees. We can imagine it's a brick wall or something. It doesn't matter. It could be a house, or let's say it's a house. The point is that red thing is opposite to the viewer. So that's how we are going to label that. An O for opposite. So let's just put big O for now, and then we'll put a key here. So O is opposite. Those are just names, so we know what we're talking about. The grass or the green part, it's under a person's feet, and it's very close to him. And another fancy word for close to something is adjacent, which is big A. So we're going to put that here. So we're going to call this A. And then the third, or the steepest side, let's say you can think of it as a ladder. So maybe you could think of a picture of, let's say these are letters. This is grass, and this red thing is a house, brick house. So the name for these letters will start with an H, and it's called hypotenuse. Now, important thing to note is that this is from, as we look from this perspective, the guy is standing here, and this angle also, by the way, the angle standard notation is Toyota sine, which is Greek letter theta. Now, the important thing to notice is that if let's say that there's another guy, well, let's draw another picture actually with the same elements but different setup. So let's say this here, these are letters again, and there's a house, okay, whatever, and there's some grass down there, and let's say the guy is standing here. Well, now that and we're looking at this angle here, the orange one. Now our right angle would be at the bottom, and now the things are quite different. Now, because guy is looking down, this would be his opposite side. So this one would be red side. Let's forget about house for now. And then if you tilt your head to the counterclockwise 90 degrees, then this would be his adjacent side, while hypotenuse always stays the same. It's the longest. So now things would look like this from his perspective up. So this is the first thing to know.